Here we have Volkswagen Polo. It's a 1 litre S AC 60 PS. Now the red rocket is a cracker and it comes with a good spec, including an automatic post-collision brake, hill hold control, an anti-lock braking system, a jack and toolkit, hydraulic brake assist, 6 speakers in the front and rear, and these 15-inch Essex alloy wheels. Now looking at the boot, it's a good size and it even comes equipped with a full-size spare wheel. The interior has a colour touchscreen, a USB and aux port, and 1-zone climate control. So for more information, feel free to phone, email or pop into Western Volkswagen Newbridge.